Hello and welcome to Hobby Days. In this video I'm going to show you how to change colour in the middle of a round. This is particularly useful for projects such as this cute little tiger. If you would like to have a go at making it, you'll find the links to all of my patterns in the description below. Okay, so we're going to finish the last stitch in this colour according to the pattern instructions. And then we're going to pull up a loop. And insert our hook into the front loop and the front post of the same stitch. Now pick up the new colour and pull through, leaving yourself a little tail to tie off later. Pull this working yarn to remove the loop. And work the number of stitches in the new colour according to the pattern. I'm just going to do a few for this example. So let's do another one. Work the last stitch in this colour in the usual way. Pull up a loop. Insert your hook through the front loop and the front post of this same stitch. Pick up the new colour. And I'm just going to pick up the original colour from here. Pull through. Pull the black yarn to remove that loop. And continue to work in the usual way according to the pattern instructions. And now I'll show you what to do to finish off inside. Now before I tie these off, I like to work the following round. So I'm going to cut the black yarn here, and this loop just here where I rejoined the main colour, just cut that in half. Now all I need to do is tie in a double knot to secure, being careful not to pull too tight because I don't want to distort the shape of the body. You don't have to cut the yarn, you can actually carry it across and continue to work. However, when you've got two contrasting colours, you can find that you can actually see them through your stitches as you continue to work. So I like to cut them off. Just keeps everything nice and neat. Now I'll do the same on this side. And then just tuck all these ends in, and there you have it. Not bad at all. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe to see more, and feel free to leave a comment, and I will see you next time.